personal po pa rin, hindi pa rin po ako makapaniwala na ang dami pa rin nagmamahal kay Mami. Maraming salamat po sa mga tao na tuloy-tuloy po rin mamahal kay Mami kahit sa kabilang buhay na siya.
Ano po yung I heard, syempre, no, ngayon po, it's a special day today. We'll be celebrating the whole day.
Yeah, we will be celebrating the whole day and lunch at Bulwagan, and then after that we'll be coming back here for snacks and coffee.
April 22 is the one that, of course, the government recognized, tama po ba, no? The National Day of Mourning last year. And 1 year on, anong legacy po yung gusto nyo maiwan pa ni Ate Gail?
Well, we want to continue her inspiration towards people. We don't want that to die down. Yung mission po is for her inspiration among some people to continue on and for the future generations to become like her. Kasi she's not privileged. She's just a small individual selling water sa train station, becoming a superstar, and eventually becoming a national artist. So, yung mga yapak niyang ginawa, just believe in yourself, just believe in God, and anyone can do that. I want everyone to see that in her, that whatever their dreams are, whatever their aspirations are, they can do it as long as they believe in themselves.
And you took on the responsibility of the estate that the superstar left on. How is that for you naman as the son? And we heard kayo yung you're gonna take it upon yourself na alagaan natin.
Yes, it's a legal responsibility for me right now. And like what I've said, it doesn't exclude any family members. I just decided to do this just to fast track things. And eventually, the OPC will become corporation eventually, and everyone's welcome on the boat.
That's nice. But have you discussed this, of course, with the siblings?
Yes, some of the siblings, yes, I've discussed it with them.
That's nice.
Yeah.
And do you have any vision for this? Maybe a memorabilia center for the Iranians when things are more smooth?
Yeah, actually everything's really difficult during the beginning process. Everyone has to start and have a hard time with it, but through resilience and determination, we will find that momentum eventually. And like right now, we're working on the museum. After that, we have a pipeline of projects, but it's, I'm not ready to disclose that yet. So along the way,
So yung museum sa dito ba o sa...
it's going to be on Manila, but we're planning, it's a temporary museum. And after that, we're planning another museum along the way, a more permanent one.
That's nice, grabe. Ano nga naman dito yung mga trophy ba niya, yung mga naiwan?
Yan, the memorabilia. That's why we're working extra hard right now to gather up all months memorabilia and yung mga trophies, awards, the dresses that she used on her anniversary in Superstar, the dresses that she used on her movies. We're working hard on that right now to curate, before the museum. So, yun, on process ngayon, we're on the works for that, and we're actually discussing a deadline for it. Maybe it's going to launch sometime June this year. And we're fast tracking things so that everyone, kasi we don't want to lose momentum. We don't want the people to like yung feelings na would die down with Nora, or we want that to continue. So we have to be aggressive. So
Ikaw lang talaga, walang katuwang.
yeah, I have a team. Of course, legal team, marketing, PR, ITs, and all that. Apart from yung wife ko, she's doing all the heavy lifting regarding sa figures and whatnot. So ayun, we're really focused on this, and I hope that everyone will be there to support. Of course, pwede akong sa mga Noranians na may mga memorabilia, include po namin yan sa museum, and yung pinaplano po namin na museum sa mga memorabilia na like pictures, albums, clippings, na pwede nilang i-share sa museum, lalagay po namin yung pangalan nyo as credit. So, malalagay sa museum yung pangalan nyo pag naka-donate po kayo or naka-share po kayo ng inyong mga memorabilia.
That's awesome. From any part of the world, Chef. Kasi ang dami